Hey guys, back to a new video. Today I have with me the new Porsche Taycan GTS Sport Turismo, brand new 2022 version, and in this video we will make the test drive. So get ready to have some fun, get ready to find out everything about this new Taycan GTS in terms of driving and information about driving style and feeling. And yeah, it's all about driving. If you want to find out everything about the car, interior, exterior, and all kind of details, technical details, I will have a separate video, full review, interior, exterior, everything about the car soon on the channel. So click the subscribe button to see the notification when that video will come out. Now guys, before we go driving, I want to give you some technical data. So as I said before, I have the Taycan GTS Sport Turismo with me right here, and the price of the car, I know it's very important for you. The starting price is 161,300 francs. With added options that I will talk in the review video, the price will go to 194,700 francs. So the options worth around 33,400 francs. Quite expensive, but the car totally deserves it. It's just a piece of art, I tell you. The car comes also with a new 21-inch rims, RS Spider design. They are incredible, some black matte, look phenomenal. Also it comes with panoramic glass roof, it comes with heating pump, it comes with Porsche intelligence range management, and all kind of stuff that I will explain you in the other video. So stay tuned guys, and check out the review video as well if you want to find out more. Very important is that I'm here in Switzerland. If you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out Porsche Center in Bern. I will leave the link in the description, so check them out guys. If you want to buy the car, if you want to test drive or see it, check them out. Very important, the weight of the car is 2,565 kilograms. That's something to keep in mind. Then the power of the car, it's 517 horsepower, but with launch control the car can go up to 598 horsepower. That's something to keep in mind that nobody point out, but I want to just point out that, so keep in mind that, very important. Then the consumption of the car, 24.3 kilowatt hour, zero CO2 emission, A-class, efficient class. This is super important. Now let me go a little bit deeper in detail and then we will start driving. So as I said, the power of the car, 598 horsepower, 850 Newton meters. The car comes with two electric motors, one in the front and one on the rear. It's an all-wheel drive system and it comes with a dual speed automatic transmission. Actually, it's not quite dual speed transmission because we have one transmission in the front and two on the rear. If you don't believe me, check this out. One transmission in the front and two on the rear axle. Quite interesting. Now let me go forward. The range of the car in VLTP estimated 490 kilometers, more than enough. The maximum charging speed 270 kilowatt in DC, so you can charge the car 100 kilometers in around 5 minutes. The battery capacity 93.4 kilowatt hour. Top speed 250 kilometers per hour, and 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds for a wagon. For an estate car is just phenomenal. I mean, it's wow. I can't wait to drive the car. Now the ground clearance, it has air suspension, so you can adapt it, but all the way down it has 12.8 centimeters. It comes with ventilated brake disc on the front, 360 millimeters, ventilated brake disc on the rear, 358 millimeters, 21-inch rims, and the turning radius of the car 11.2 meters. The boot space capacity 540 liters. If you fold down the seats completely, 1,196 liters. Also the car comes with an extra frunk where you can add some extra storage. The front suspension independent double wishbone with air suspension with anti-roll bar, and the rear suspension Multilink air suspension with anti-roll bar. Those are the most important information about the car. I hope I didn't forget something. If I forget, just ask me down below. Now guys, let's drive the car and then we will make the conclusion in the end. All right guys, let's drive the car. Here is the key, by the way. It's the same key as Porsche. Use it also on other models. Super nice key. What you can do with the key, you can see also in the review video. Unlock the car, open the trunk, open the front. Pretty cool, pretty simple. You can leave the key here because you have the start stop engine button right here. All you have to do is just press it and the car will start. Now here I want to show you still something really cool. that the car come with two screens. You can see the screen right here is for the passenger, so you have almost the same settings as you have on the main screen right here. The main screen, it's made for you, for driver, and you have all the options here. There you have almost all the options. As you can see, also you have the navigation. Here you have another screen where you have all those climatic system function, for example the temperature. You have also the shortcuts for the screen there, so you can go in multimedia and navigation, phone, or settings of the car. Then if you go here to the car, you have the most important settings. Also on the steering wheel you have this wheel where you can change different driving mode. As you can see there, it's sport, range, normal, sport, sport plus, and individual. So you can adjust the driving mode as you go. We will try all these driving modes, and I will give you my feedback. Also you can do it from here, from the screen, so you can choose wherever driving mode. And every time you change the driving mode, for example, you will see that the car will change also the suspension, because it comes with air suspensions. You will see that it's changed all the time, the settings of the suspension. Anyway, red seat belt, I love those red seat belts. I think they are really cool. The chassis, you can also choose the chassis, how to be the suspension. You want a sport, sport plus, or normal. And then you have the chassis level. You can also lift or lower the suspension, depend how you want. And also you can choose the recuperation. You have a button also on the steering wheel. You can turn it on and off from here, from the steering wheel, or you can go in the menu, so the car will recuperate more energy. And then you have something new that you have not on all Taycan models, is the electric sport sound. And these GTS have a special sound, more aggressive. I will turn it on from here. You can also turn it off if you want to, and I will show you when we drive. You can hear the engine, that actually this sound, electric sound, will be more aggressive, more nicer, deeper. Also lovely steering wheel. We have the GTS here logo, Alcantara steering wheel, perfect size. I love the steering wheel. Behind the steering wheel here we have a pedal where you can change the adaptive cruise control. You can adjust it. It comes also with lane assist and all that safety features from Porsche. Other than that, everywhere Alcantara, super high quality. Here you have also some buttons to adjust the suspension. Also you can customize the screen the way you want it. There in the front you can choose what you like to have on the left side, what you like to have in the middle, and on the right side the same. Anyway guys, in the back there I have a new camera, a new view. I hope you enjoyed. I wait your feedbacks about that. I'm really curious to hear what do you think about this angle. In this video I will try both. I film with both cameras, also with the GoPro and also with the fixed camera, and tell me what do you think about that. I'm really excited, and I'm really curious to hear from you guys your opinion. Anyway, let's drive the car. First of all, what you can do here is the shift by wire transmission, by the way, behind the steering wheel. Press the brake and go down or up, go up in reverse, go down in drive. Here you have 360 degrees camera as well, good resolution on the cameras. Also you can see the side view, super nice camera. Now going in drive, the car is ready. We will drive first time on range mode, so that means the car is limited to 100 kilometers. The car will try to drive as slowly as possible. So anyway, I think you already can hear this sound. Also the car comes with a head-up display. Not sure if you can see it from there, but it has a nice head-up display. I let you for a moment to hear this new sound that they implement in this GTS version. Electric adjustable seats as well. Oh boy, the way it stays on the ground is just phenomenal. Porsche, they are the best cars in terms of handlings. Just keep in mind what I tell you guys. The difference is not the power, the difference is the way they manage to make those cars to stay perfectly on the road It's like Formula One car. It's just incredible when you take those curves. I don't even need to tell you about acceleration. It's phenomenal. Almost 600 horsepower. Oh boy. Wow, I can't explain you the feeling when you accelerate, when you take the curves. It's just blowing your mind. It's fantastic. Also, I can say before, the car comes also with adaptive cruise control, all that safety features, but I don't want to test it in this video. Doesn't matter too much. All it matters is the driving feeling, and I'm 3.7 seconds 0 to 100, and right now we are still in range mode. Let's change that. Let's go in normal mode. Normal mode should be a little bit more aggressive. Also, it's very silent inside the car. The seats position are phenomenal. You have a great position on the seats. They are very relaxing. Perfect for sporty driving. Great grip on the steering wheel. Great visibility on the head-up display on the cockpit, and also here very easy to reach out. You can hear the sound even when you brake. It has a special sound. Even when you accelerate, it has a different kind of sound. Oh boy, the acceleration, it's incredible. It's unique. I can't explain you this feeling. And also on the curves, it's wow. 2,565 kilograms. It's so heavy, but it feels so agile. It's crazy. It's like you're driving a train. It's so stick to the ground, but in the same time, it has that power. Look at this. Crazy sound. Here are a few bumps, and you can even lift this chassis level. For example, now it's lower. Lift it up. Now the car will lift. And we can pass these bumps and hops here. They are phenomenal. Those air suspension are amazing. Right here, the turning radius. We can test the turning radius. It's also incredible. Incredible, guys. Such a small space. You can turn this incredible car. It's doing fine over the bumps as well. It's doing really good. Splendid. Let's change the driving mode. Let's go in Sport Plus. That would be fun. Very good visibility for a sporty car. You have incredible good visibility. Oh, wow. Wow, the pedals are so sensitive right now in Sport Plus. I don't even push it. I just touch it a little bit and it's running already. I just put my feet like this on the pedal and it's like just working. Oh, wow. Whoa. Wow. Wow, guys. This is something else. This this car, it's something else. The brakes are incredible, the acceleration, it's wow, it's unique. Whew. I don't know how they managed to bring that Porsche feeling from normal IC car in this electric car. It's the same, that Porsche unique feeling when you go inside the Porsche. It's great job Porsche, you did it right. Even though here you want to accelerate from 0. Oh my god, it's like that, 1 second to 50. Wow. Whoa. Wow. It's not only that it's beautiful, but the quality, the feeling on the steering wheel, the way you stay on those seats, it's crazy. Lovely, lovely. Great job, Porsche. Even from here, from 20, you hear that sound? Wow. Splendid. Splendid car. Top. Love it. Let's go back to range mode. Wow. It's super fun. It's totally deserved the money. It's something else. The feeling is different. Even though the Tesla Model S have kind of the same power, even more, I don't know how Porsche managed to bring different feeling, this Porsche unique feeling to the car. Now I understand why Bill Gates choose to buy a Porsche Taycan instead of Tesla Model S. Anyway, by the way, if you want to park it in reverse, it's very simple. Some people complain about this position of the gear shifter, but it's perfect for me. It's just so easy. Look how easy it is to park it there. It's simple. It's good resolution on a reverse camera. And then back. That was all. Parking here button. Stop it. And it's silent. You can choose to have silent inside the car as well. If you go here and you put the sound off, then it's quiet and silent. You will hear nothing. So I guess that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get some useful information from the video. What can I say, guys? My rating for this Porsche Taycan GTS 2022 Sport Turismo from 1 to 10 will be like 9.9. It's an amazing car, amazing quality, lovely car. If you want to see the review, full review, interior, exterior, technical data, everything about the car, I wait till next days on the channel. I will have a separate video. Don't forget to check out Porsche Center in Bern. I will leave the link in the description if you want to buy the car, if you want to see the car. Also, thank you for watching. I hope the video is helpful. If you still have questions, ask me down below, wherever you want to ask. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.